Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to AAA Sneaker Gaming. So as you can see right in front of me, Adidas has sent me that really cool box right here. So let me show you guys the detail of the box right here. So it says Nite Jogger, hashtag it's never too late, hashtag created with Adidas. It's a really cool silver metallic wrapping. It's included a really cool belt right here. Let me open up the box for you guys. So let's open this up real quick. Ooh, whoa, it's not a box actually. Wow, so it's like a display case right here. It says Nite Jogger and has a really cool LED light, LED flashlight, and here's the shoes. It's created by Adidas, the Adidas Nite Jogger right here. So this is in a really sick black boost gray colorway. And then without any more talking, let's get into the details of the shoes. So starting with the mudguard right here, you get your premium soft suede. It's a really soft premium suede for the mudguard. And moving on to the upper, we got our black mesh. And then the eyelets, it's also with the use of the suede. And as you can see, the lace is 3M reflective. And moving on to the tongue, we got our tongue right here with the Adidas logo embossed, and then with the exposed foam, which pays homage to the Adidas retro sneaker. So this just looks like a 70s retro sneaker that has like a chunky dad vibe to it, with the modern technology boost. And moving on to the lateral side, as you can see, we have our plastic nylon with the street stripes branding, and we have our diagonal suede right here with the hints of 3M right here. And the back, we have our heel clip right here to provide stability for the shoes. And I believe this shoes is pretty comfortable, and it's called Nite Jogger because I guess you run during the nighttime, and then you need your 3M hints. So the 3M hints is right here, and then the laces as well. So this is a really cool pair of sneakers. And the bottom, I like this chunky dash shoe vibe, and it is really aesthetically pleasing. It has a really nice silhouette. Let me know what you guys think about this pair of shoes. Once again, shout out to Adidas for this amazing opportunity. And then leave a comment and let me know what you guys think about the shoes. If you like this video, please drop a like, and I'm gonna leave their link down in the description, release info and everything. It's AAA Sneaker Gaming. I'll see you guys next time. Drop a like and subscribe. Peace.